Hello, Dawn McPhee here from Dawn's Inspirations. If you haven't pressed like on my YouTube channel, please do, so you'll be able to see everything crafty that's going on in my little corner of the World Wide Web. So I wanted to share this with you. This is a new online workshop. This is with the medium landscape portrait memory books from Pink Frog. Okay, so you're thinking, okay, memory books, yeah, we've done those, but this comes to you as an actual kit. So with this memory book, you buy the kit. So you buy a kit from Pink Frog. So you've got the size card you need for the medium size, and you've got your A4 cardstock. There's lots of variations in the colours of the kit. Some new ones have just been added, so do check them out. Also in the kit from Pink Frog, you get your centimetres version of cutting and scoring guide and your written instructions. However, if you wanted to join me in the online workshop, you've got a choice whether you want to do them in centimetres or whether you want to do it in inches, because I filmed the online workshop with both, so you have a choice to pick which you prefer to do. So grab your Pink Frog kits, grab your workshop, and you too can be creating these lovely memory books. Now with the kit you make actually 4 memory books, which is amazing. So this is the landscape version. You can choose whether you want to do all landscape or portrait. The choice is absolutely yours. The decoration, how you're going to decorate them is the hardest thing. This one I've just done on the ivory with Pink Frog stamps and coloured them in. This one has been done with the brown and ivory with beautiful pattern papers. This one has been done on the true white, again with pattern papers. But these are great for your 6x4 photographs. You know, storing your memorabilia in the correct way. So this is safe for future generations to come, because it being true cardstock, it's acid and lignin free. The other thing as well is with this, the way the hinge is designed is it lays flat. Okay, so as you're viewing, it lays nice and flat. And if you want to post, you don't have to post in a box that takes the hinge. You can slide it to one side, it will not damage the hinge at all, and pop that in a jiffy bag. And then that way, you're not paying out for a big box either. So that is the portrait. Let me bring in some of the landscape. That was the landscape, sorry. Let me bring in some of the portrait. So there's that one, there's that one, there's another one here. So again, you can choose to decorate these as you wish. You know, whether you want to go in with your inks. This is the true white, and I've used the Pink Frog stamps and lovely inking techniques on here. And even though it's true white card, it takes it absolutely beautifully. Okay, but we haven't skimped. Even though I've done lots of inking on that, you can see the quality is still there. Okay, you can do, this one is brown and ivory. I've done some double matting. So check out Pink Frog True Card, because, you know, get yourself some extra sheets of A4 and then you can do lovely mats and things on top, rather than wasting the extra card that you've got in your kits. Okay, so you've got those lovely photo mats in there. So I'd put one in each pocket, but you could quite easily add another couple if you wish. Choice is yours. But again, with the portrait, nice flat hinge, and again folds flat for postage. But add your own little twists. I've added a bow on this one to tie it together. So add your own little twists on here. Store your memorabilia. You know, these are old postcards of my mum's first birthday. Store your memorabilia. You know, keep them safe for future generations to come. You know, again, even fully loaded, it's nice and flat. You know, this is full with pictures and postcards. They're all in here, but everything is stored. I've got everyone's handwriting. This will be shared for many years to come with the family, but everything is stored in the correct way. So this is the portrait version. This is the landscape version. The choice is yours because you're going to get to make 4 books out of each kit. So you can choose how you're going to make them. So portrait, landscape, what's going to be your choice? So click the link below, pop over to my website, join me for the online workshop, because with that I go through with you step-by-step videos in real time. You can choose centimetres, you can choose inches. You can watch the videos as many times as you like. Once you've bought the workshop, it's yours. You can watch it next year, you can watch it next month, you can watch it next week. It does not matter. You can go into it as many times as you like. So it's a refresher. Every time there, I will be with you while you're crafting, making yours. So I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.